everyone. Today is February 8th, 2025, and this is Sophia. Come here. This is your second time selling stuff, right? Third time.
Remember Lost Lake?
No, dark park. Where dark park?
What?
You said that in dark park.
No.
I know Lost Lake.
Remember the one that you said birthday party?
What? The bus. Oh yeah, yes. And I have two, Sophia and Celine, and Celine is very encouraging. Sophia also, but Celine is a little more aggressive. And that is Celine over there. And today Sophia brings some stuff to sell in the park, and I let them do that because it kind of like let them learn in real life how to sell things. And much more. You saw anything yet? Okay, let me see your stuff.
What do I say?
Okay, have you talked with people yet? And they don't want to buy it?
No, they don't have any cash on them.
Okay, next time we need to set up a
Yeah, because that's your problem. Anyways, what do I say? You know, I'm just gonna say something normal.
I think those people, they don't buy it. I think you already talked with them already. You don't want to go back, okay?
Why?
You already talked with them. Yeah? Okay, so...
Why don't you guys play together?
Okay, I think... Sophia, come here.
Yeah.
Sophia, come here. You need to talk about the problem.
It's the problem that
And I get them to sell this.
That's a snack.
And this is a snack, and Sophia wanted to sell all this for $2. This is, she said, $15. A little bit expensive. And she has some stones. Sophia, how much you sell for the stone, Sophia? What? How much? Come here. I got $2. Okay. Oh, so they have a new friend. So what's your strategy to make people buy from you? I have a book that teach you how to sell. You want to read that book? What's that?
You okay?
So you just put it in there?
Yeah.
I could sell that?
You can say everything, right?
I found a ball over there.
You could probably get away with stuff.
Oh, one time I was pregnant. One last person that called.
All you had to say was pregnant. No one is ever gonna.
Memorial Park.
No one's ever gonna say anything with pregnant.